well.
Sneha, and the stance of the parties on record and off record extremely disappointing, because at one end there was a sense of understanding that the debate will happen in Parliament yesterday, which was called off. And what we learned from our sources, that all the parties apparently did not think that it was conducive enough to discuss this. That was the logic that was given. The centre wanting to pass off a discussion, wanting to pass on the buck, is something that anyone in power, if they're trying to do that, that is one reasoning. But what about the opposition that has been staging protests? We saw how the Congress was bearing such heavy mass to the Parliament to have it as a symbolic presentation, to voice it against the government that we need clean air. The Aam Aadmi Party even had a Santa Claus fainting to say that because of the high AQI, Santa Claus is not being able to come to celebrate Christmas. I mean, such is the kind of drama that we see. But what about actual translation on ground?
Well, none, really, to be very honest. And when you mention opposition, even they were slated to speak yesterday. So it was not just the environment minister. There were also opposition leaders who were listed as per the BAC, and they had an opportunity to make their comments on the problem of air pollution. Now, Delhi is one city which has seen three governments led by three different political parties over the last 15 years. We've seen the Congress, we've seen the AAP for over a decade, and then, of course, the Bharatiya Janata Party now that has come to power on the basis of a promise that they did make in the manifesto about cleaning up the air and the water, both the air and the Yamuna, which continues to be the big problem in Delhi. Of course, the garbage, not to mention that as well. But these are issues that political leaders have promised. These are problems would be solved. Parliament did not see this matter being discussed. What really happened was that, and this is what the BJP government is also now saying, I've heard MPs talk about that as well, that, there was ruckus inside the house because of Manrega and various other issues. We've seen the entire drama unfold in Parliament yesterday, where the bill was in fact torn, after which the Rural Affairs Minister also came out and spoke about it, saying that this was drama, there was ruckus, and today, of course, there was ruckus as well. Overnight, MPs of the opposition had been protesting over Manrega. Somehow, air pollution got lost in translation. Unfortunately, the Lok Sabha has been wrapped up. The winter session has come to a close, and there has been no discussion at all on an issue that requires discussion, that requires focus. And like the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, had said just a week ago that, listen, we don't usually work together so closely on many issues, but on this one, I promise full support. These were the words really from the leader of the opposition,
Right,
when it comes to the issue of air pollution, but that cooperation was clearly not to be
missing.
seen as far as the floor of the House is concerned.
Oh yes, absolutely.